my name is Paul Angus. I'm based in the UK. A little while ago I was looking for a good online business to supplement my income. I work for an electrical company during the day and it's a nice place to work, but obviously it takes up 45 hours of my time each week. I would like my time freedom back, and it also cost me in the region of £120 a month. That's about $150, $160 a month just in fuel to get to work and back to make a living. And like most people, we live paycheck to paycheck. It doesn't matter how much you earn, you tend to live to it. So I wanted something to supplement that would give me a good regular income, and Copy and Paste Ads has actually paid me multiple $100 commissions that it pays. I've actually just got one come through now, which is really exciting. But best of all for me, what it's allowed me to do just before Christmas, and I hadn't been involved about 3 months at the time, it allowed me to upgrade my car to a 𝗖𝗍𝗰 6-speed. I actually love driving that, and every day I drive that to work. I say it's a 40-minute drive. It reminds me of how good Copy and Paste Ads really is, because without that I probably wouldn't have been able to upgrade my car. We use this Visa debit card through the company, so whenever I get paid it goes straight onto this Visa card, which means I can access my money. It's very safe and secure. I can get it from the ATM. I can go and buy shopping, buy fuel, go get meals. I've even paid my recent vet bills with it for my little cat. And I've just found this part-time business to be one of the best things I've looked at in the last 15 years. I've enrolled some friends and people that I know, some in Spain, some in the UK, and some in America. And what it will do for me later this year, it will give me my time freedom back, so it will enable me to work from home again. And this will be my view rather than the view out of an office window. So we're really looking forward to that. So if you're looking at Copy and Paste Ads for the first time, I can highly recommend it. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.
Here you go. I've got 3 websites where you can generate free traffic. All right, and I'm going to show those to you step by step right now. Okay, here we go. But first, I want to show you some results that I'm getting from a very simple copy and paste ads business. Now, this YouTube video here is all about copy and paste ads, and I'm not going to redirect you to some other offer that really doesn't pertain to copy and paste ads. This is the real deal right here. I want to show you some results that I'm beginning with this business right now. But first, a little income disclaimer. All right, now these are my results. Results are not typical. In no way do I guarantee that you will get these results, if any at all. Let's log in right now. I want to show you the date really quickly here. It is Wednesday, August 21st, 2019. All right. Log in right here, and this is me, as you can see right here. Okay, let's go to commissions earned. All right, so again, it is August 21st, and I'm at $11,700 this month, and this is a very consistent business. As you can see here, 500, 500, 200, 500, 500, and this is every day. Okay, I am getting sales every day. And this is the 1st of August, 700, 500, 500, 300, 500. So this is a very, very consistent copy and paste ads business where you can make $100, $200, $300, and even $500 per sale. Okay, that's per sale, and that's 100% commissions sent directly to you. This is August. Let's go back to July. Right here, I made $15,700. June, $15,100. May, $19,300. Very consistent business. This is the copy and paste ads business. To be honest with you, I've been online for 9 years. This is the very best small ticket business that I've ever aligned myself with. April, $21,100. March, $20,900. Let's go back one more. And in February, $19,000. Again, we're in August, all right here. Now, this is the start of the busy season. As you can see, June, July, August, a little slower. Right now, this is the start of the busy season. If you have not had success online for this year yet, it's not too late. We are in August, okay, but it's not too late to align yourself with a copy and paste ads business like the one that I'm going to show you right here. And there's two reasons why I'm showing these results, okay? Number one, I just want you to know that this is working. Number two, you may not know me from the hole in the ground, right? So I just wanted to let you know that I'm on the level to show you how to do this stuff. And what I mean by that, to show you how to make money online. Whether that's just making an extra $500 to $1,500 per week or earning a full-time six-figure plus income with this just this one income stream like I'm doing. All right, let's get back to the training. Okay, let's get started with the training right now. I'm really excited to share with you 3 websites where you can advertise absolutely free, get traffic, leads, and sales. All right, so this first one is a classified ad site. All right, it's called the Free Advertising Forum, and not a lot of people know about this. They have over 100,000 people registered here, so your ads will get seen. There's no question about that. And what I love about it is that they're business opportunity friendly. So you can post whatever affiliate program, whatever work from home opportunity you have here, and it will be just fine. It'll get eyeballs on it and you'll get leads. All right. So again, this is called the Free Ad Forum. So right now I'm going to show you how to copy and paste ads and make $100 to $500 online with this training. First thing we're going to do is register for our account. Very, very easy to do. Email address, confirm email, enter the access code here. I already have an account as you see, but put your username and the password you want, confirm your password, and agree to their terms of service. And then click submit. Then it's going to ask you to go to your email and confirm your subscription. That's all you have to do. All right, so now we're going to log in. All right, I have my information here. We have to do this access code here. You always have to do that. So let me do that right now. Okay, log in. And this is actually what it's going to look like when you log in right here. What you want to do, you want to click on Place a Free Ad, which brings you to this page right here. And what we're going to do is choose a category. I would not worry about this right here because we're going to be placing a free ad. You have the option to have your ad out front and to be seen longer. Okay, but I'll get into that in a little bit. So what we want to do is we want to click on Jobs. Then we want to click on Business Opportunities. Okay, that's cool. Now, make sure this says 90 days, no cost, because we're not going to pay for this ad. Like I said, there are some options right here, but you're going to choose 90-day, no cost, and they're going to put in your title. All right, now in the description of this video, there's a link. I've created a whole swipe file for you. I've got headlines, I've got the body itself, and I've got some other things. I created it especially for you, absolutely free. Now, I'm not sure what opportunity that you're promoting, what affiliate program, but these ads or these headlines and ad copy will work for most. All right. And again, absolutely free. It's in the link at the bottom of this video. Okay. So let's get started. We're going to post the title. Okay. We're going to copy and paste the title. So I have some right here. So these are the headlines right here. And I'm going to choose, let's see, which one do I want? Okay. Could you use $500 today? Step-by-step instructions. Okay, let's do that one. So we're going to copy. We're going to go back over here. We're going to post the title in. Just like that. Easy as that. Now we've got the body. Okay, this is the body, and I have those as well. Again, in the description of this video, there's going to be a link with all these. And I'm going to add a lot more to them. Okay, let's see here. Let's do, yeah, this is a good one right here. Okay, again, we're going to copy. We're going to go back and we're going to paste that in. Just like that. Now, the tags here, it's really good to use tags. People will do searches certain keywords, how to make money from home, all that stuff. Now I have the tags in here as well. So, so when you do tags, there must be a comma after. Okay, for example, work from home, comma, work from home jobs, comma. Okay, so these are keywords that people might search for. All right, and what we want to do, let's just copy all of them. You don't have to put all of them in there, but let's just put all of them in there right now. Okay, we're going to paste those in there, and you don't have to worry about price, anything like that. Your email address, put the country, United States, and of course I'm in Minnesota. Let's just do that, but you can post anywhere. All right, and let's do Minneapolis, St. Paul. Okay, now this is very important. You're going to put the URL to your capture pages. Okay, I'll do that right now. All right, that goes right to my capture page. You can also put images in here, and I actually have some images here that I've already used. Put those in here. It's easy to find images. As a matter of fact, if you go to Google, okay, let's just put this in there. Roll of money. Okay? And we'll use, this one would be cool right here. You can download this. Save as. I'm going to save this to your computer. I'll just put roll 1. Download that to my desktop, and I'll show you how. I'll just switch that out for you. Okay, so we'll get rid of that. Select a file again, and that should be right here. Oh, here it is. Right there. Okay, so we got that, or you got the idea. You can put money or anything you want in there. There's an option to place your YouTube video. Now, of course, I have a YouTube channel, so absolutely I will. I'll just put my YouTube video in there, right there. Okay. Post ads make money. Now, if you don't have one, you can always use my video. That's fine. Okay, so that's really all you have to do here. Now, it's zero cost. Now, if you want to add these little attention getters here, that's fine. But as mentioned before, this is absolutely free, so we're not going to do that. Okay. You can preview your ad right here. Let's just check it out. See how it looks here. All right, so here's the ad. I am going to replace that. I don't like that at all. You get the idea. All right, and here's your ad. And right here is where the link's going to be. Visit my website. There you go. You just have to click accept and submit. Okay, and there you have it. Your order has been received successfully. Thanks. That's it. And here's the actual ad I just posted here. I posted a couple others too here. You can see they're getting views, and actually that was just the other day. Okay, very excellent website to get absolutely free traffic to your offer. Now I'm going to show you the second website that you can use to copy and paste ads and make money with. It's absolutely free. Again, this is a free classified ad site, and it's called Free Global Classified Ads. It works the same way as the other one. All you have to do is register for your free account. Once you have, you just have to log in. All right, and this is what it looks like right here. And of course, we want to click on this orange button up there, publish your ad for free. And again, it kind of works the same way. So you have to choose a category. Now, this one has a work from home as well as a business opportunity. So we can choose work from home. And here you're going to put your headline in. And remember, the swipe file that I'm going to give you for free in the description. Okay, you can put the headline in here, put the body right here. Again, you can get those from my swipe file. You don't worry about the price, the country. Now here's where you're going to put your website. And right here again, we're going to do the keywords. You also have those in my swipe file as well. You can also put a YouTube video in here. Okay, and then you click on publish. Now they have some upgrades if you want to, but absolutely free. And between those two sites, you can get a lot of visitors, leads, and hopefully some sales. All right, now the third website that I wanted to show you, it's actually a strategy. Okay, it's actually a really cool strategy, and I just learned this not too long ago. So I wanted to pass this on to you, but it's in Craigslist. Now, I know what you're thinking. We're not going to actually post a Craigslist ad. Okay, here's what we're going to do, and it's really a cool method. I want to bring my screen down here because I really want to show you what we're after right here. Again, a lot of people who come to Craigslist with an opportunity will think, hey, I'm going to post ads. Well, here's a whole other strategy. Okay, so let's go after the people who actually have resumes. Okay, so you click on resumes. You're going to go over here. Now, I should have widened my screen. Sorry about that. As you can see, now, a lot of these people really don't have a profession. They're just looking for work. Okay, and it probably really doesn't matter to them. They just need money. I guess the best way to do this, what I've learned, is just to put in here work from home. And you can see I already did it. And there's a handful of people in my area here. Now, this is a good one. Looking for odds and end jobs, flexible part-time. Okay? Now, you can reply to these people. And I actually have the script in that swipe file. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to reply. Let's do Gmail. Okay? And let me show you the script here. Craigslist script. This is what you're going to send first. Hi, I saw your inquiry on Craigslist about you looking for work. I may have just what you're looking for. It pays out 100% commissions of $100 to $500, and there's absolutely no explaining, selling, or stocking of inventory. Please feel free to contact me here, and we will send you some information to review about our company and opportunity. Okay, so you just want to reach out to them first. You don't want to spam them your link, all right? You want a conversation with them and say, hey, I may have something that you'd be interested in. Would you care looking at it? Okay? Just going to copy. Okay. Copy, and you're going to paste that. Where did I go? Right there. Okay. All right, and that's really all you have to do. And again, let's go down here and click send. And that's that. All right. Now, I have gotten some good response, and I want to show that to you right now. All right, I'm in my Gmail account right here. Just want to show you the date, August 13th, 2019 here. And this is a response that I got from a person. So this strategy does work, this Craigslist strategy right here. She says, I would love to hear more. Please send me details. Okay, now, when you get this, you can respond to them by the other script I have. Let me show you that right there. I'm not going to read all this, but it just outlines a little bit what we have, and then you can put your website link in there. I did not do that, but I responded to her earlier. But what you do, you put your website link in there. You just copy and paste this and send it right after they message you back. All right, so three absolutely free ways to get traffic to your site.